We recently moved to a different house and we encountered a new problem, something that we've never encountered before, which is the fact that we have floodlights in our ceiling and our ceiling is really high. And so instead of getting a ladder, we decided to see what other tools might be available. And we came across this product, which is actually a 7-piece light bulb changing kit that we picked up here in town. And this changing kit will let you change different things. It will let you change normal incandescent bulbs. It looks like there's some broken bulb options. And then there's also an option for recessed lights, which is exactly what we need. This kit also comes with a duster attachment. And that's pretty nice because our ceiling fans are pretty high as well. So that's going to come in handy. And so anyway, we thought we'd go through, do a quick video in this and show you how this works. All right, so for our recessed light bulbs that we need to remove, what we ended up doing is changing the head out to the suction cup, and the instructions say to attach the string to the suction cup before you use it, which is probably wise advice. I'm gonna go ahead and extend the pole, get it a little bit taller, tighten it down here, and then we're going to see how this works. Suctioned it, and I'm gonna unscrew it. And that's all you have to do to remove the bulb. So let's take a look here. So now that this bulb is attached pretty well, we're going to pull the string, and that's it. So now all we have to do is get the new bulb, put it on the suction cup, and screw it in. All right, so now we're going to install this new bulb. This is actually an LED bulb. Put this on the suction cup, make sure it's attached. I'm going to extend this back up here. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now we're going to line it up. Pull on the suction cup and let it go. All right, so that's all there is to replacing the bulb with this tool. Now there are some other attachments that are included, some for regular bulbs, some for broken bulbs, like I said. So if you have tall ceilings and you have light bulbs, this is probably a really indispensable tool to have. As you can see, I didn't even have to pull out a ladder to change those light bulbs, and those are probably 12 feet high. So anyway, if you like this video, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, where we cover topics that help you become the top homeowner in your neighborhood. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.